Hi guys, it's Carly. I know everything's been a little crazy, and I thought maybe it would be a good time for me to reach out to you all and make some art, because I know whenever I'm a little stressed out, making art makes me feel a lot better. So I'm going to try and do this as often as I can, but today I'm going to do something pretty simple that doesn't need a lot of supplies. And I'm going to talk to you here, and then I have another little setup going on here, so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So, if you're wondering how it all works, the sun's been out today. It's been beautiful. I got to take the dogs for a walk twice today so far. I'm hoping to get out again later. So I hope you guys are doing the same and getting outside and getting some fresh air. So today, what we're going to do is make a Crayon Transfer drawing, which doesn't take a lot of fancy equipment, but comes out super cool. So all you need is 2 pieces of plain paper, a pencil, and you guessed it, some crayons. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is take 1 piece of paper and we're gonna color crayon all over this piece of paper. So you're going to take the colors that you want to use. Darker colors work better than lighter colors. So let's try and use some darker colors. And we're going to make all sorts of, we're going to cover the whole page with crayon. It doesn't matter if you do a pattern or you just want to do random splotches. Right now, I want you to start working on filling this whole page with crayon and make sure that you press down really hard when you do it. Okay? Well, now we finished our drawing, our crayon drawing. So hopefully you guys did something real cool with all your colors. Just as long as you covered the whole paper. I did all sorts of different patterns and designs. You don't have to do patterns or designs, but once you get this whole piece of paper covered, you're going to be ready for the next step. So what we're going to do next is you're going to take your other blank piece of paper, that second piece of paper that you grabbed. Mine's all blank, see? Doop, doop. No tricks up my sleeve here. So I'm going to take this paper, I'm going to put it on top, right on top of my crayon drawing. So I'm going to take my pencil, should be pretty sharp, and I'm going to start drawing. You can draw whatever you want. The one thing I want you to keep in mind is that you don't want to draw letters or numbers because they're going to turn out backwards if we do that. So I'm just going to make some patterns because that's what I like to draw. But if you like to draw dogs or dragons or Pokemon or something like that, you can do that too, okay? So I'm going to just start drawing some patterns.
Make some diagonal lines here. You want to press down pretty hard when you start drawing with your pencil on top of this piece of paper, because something super cool is going to happen next. So I'm going to make some lines here. Fill these in, make some triangles, some shapes. Shapes are always good. And I think it's really fun when you're doing this to kind of fill in some of your shapes, because you'll see in a second that the coolest part about this whole thing is about to be revealed. So, I'm gonna fill in these little triangles here. Go over this one more time. So you're pressing down pretty hard. You can see by how dark the lead is on my paper that I'm pressing down pretty hard on mine. Now I'm going to make some circles. Kind of looks like an eye, huh? I'll make these circles. And then what we can do is take a sneak peek. Sometimes when I do this, I like to wait till the very end to look at the final result, but so I can show you what we're doing, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek about what my transfer looks like. So I'm just going to pick this piece of paper up. Whoa, so cool.
So the crayon from our first drawing is transferring onto the back of our pencil drawing. So this is the side with the pencil, and then you'll see what's happening is as I'm pressing down with my pencil, the crayon from this drawing is transferring to the back of here, which makes a super cool effect. So I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest of my paper. I'm going to do a little time lapse so you can see how it looks, and then we'll look at the final product. I can't wait to see what your guys' look like. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my drawing, and the reveal, it came out a little light, so I should have pressed a little harder, and if I'd used darker colors it would have worked better. But, so this is the pencil drawing, and then on the back you can see you can see the pattern that I made with the crayons. So if I had pressed harder on the crayon and pressed harder on the pencil, my colors would have been brighter. But it still came out super cool, didn't it? Awesome. So, I can't wait to see what you guys made. If you can share your pictures with me, I love to see them, and I can't wait to make some more art with you soon. Bye, guys.